welcome to an overdue video. I've been away and I forgot about my YouTube channel. Anyway, today I'm vlogging my trip to Dargo and Wangaratta out that way of Victoria, so I'm bringing you guys along. Yay! Everything I need is in this bag, which are shorts, long pants, t-shirts, long sleeves, pajamas, etc. I wouldn't want to unzip that because it's really messy. I just shoved everything in. I didn't bother folding anything, so I don't really want to open it yet. So, I'm, in the meantime, because my dad's getting ready, I'm obsessed with Assassin's Creed, the Ezio collection. I got it a couple of days ago now, when it came out. But literally, I am obsessed. I remember playing Assassin's Creed Black Flag, which is after Revelations. Half finished that and whatever, and then I did go and play some other Assassin's Creed games after that, but I've lost count. But I'm gonna go back and play all the original. The only one I haven't played is Assassin's Creed 1, but that's fine. So this is Assassin's Creed 2, Assassin's Creed Brotherhood, which is 3, and Assassin's Creed Revelations, which is 4. So it's 2, 3, 4 basically. In this remaster Ezio collection. Just packing up some snacks and we're good to go. Everything here, plus those two, are going in the car.
Well, everything is packed. It looks messy, I know, but that's everything, and that's everything in the back. Food, picnic basket, what's this? Small tent, keg of water, fold up chairs, and a picnic table, whatever. And the dog, of course, Toffee.
Here I just basically wind down the window a little bit, stuffed my jacket in the thing and winded it back up. Welcome to Rosedale. It's about 20 minutes from Traralgon. From Melbourne, it's about been 2 hours drive. Well, 2 hours and 20 minutes if you count the 20 minutes plus from Traralgon to Rosedale.
20 minutes later.
Welcome to Sale, this small town. It's 20 minutes from Rosedale. Welcome to Briagolong. It's a general store and we're filling up on petrol. Ice cream break. Wangaratta Road. Very bumpy.
Moments later.
Dodgy. So dodgy. Whoa, we're stuck in it.
Oh, actually, I shouldn't. Damn it, I think I should have come down here. I didn't realise it was the scruff.
There's the river.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, Toffee ruined my shot. Oh, this is how steep it is. Right there is the Wangaratta River. So let's go down. Yay! Well, it's rocks and rocks and rocks of all I can see. And Toffee's drinking from the river. Wangaratta River!
Okay, Dad, why are you drinking from the river?
And let's go and see what Toffee's doing. So Dad's being a weirdo. Toffee, what you doing? Toffee! I'm hunting for some sticks. That looks good. Good firewood. Alright, I'll be back with some firewood. Got some firewood. Woo! Okay. We've put the top up. That's my dad's rooftop tent. It's really late. I'm gonna go to bed now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow.